So welcome back to the Stocks Trader Pro course, and in this video I'm going to talk about the different trading platforms you can use to follow this strategy. Now I want to be completely upfront. The platform I use is the one right in front of you and the one that I recommend, which is eToro. It's very easy to use. It supports both stocks and crypto, well, in the UK and other places, and also allows fractional shares, which is essential for scaling into trades at those pullback levels. Now that said, depending on where you live, whether it's in the US, the UK or elsewhere, you might also want to consider some different alternatives. In the UK, we can also use these two platforms as well, Trading 212, and then we have Revolut as well. In the US, we have some alternatives here as well. We have Robinhood. We also have Public, which is public.com. And we also have Webull as well. Options. If you can use eToro, then use it. If you can't, then don't. Have a look through all of these different ones for yourself and see which one works for you best. Now remember, when you go through the videos, you're going to see how we trade it. So you must be able to buy fractional shares, take 50% out and then 100% and then reinvest. That's how we work it. Let's have a quick look at some very famous names as well. We can also use Binance. We can also use Coinbase. I'm not so much sure about Binance in the US at the moment. I don't know how that works. We've got Coinbase and of course we've got Kraken. Now there are a lot more out there. I just wanted you to be aware of the ones that I look at, what I consider. But to be honest with you, I always use eToro just because it's simple to use in the UK. But again, we have so many options. Look at the ones that are getting the best deals for you when you're investing. One thing I would like to add to this is really remember that the platform is just the tool. What really matters is how you use it. With the right mindset, the Stocks Trader Pro strategy and a platform that supports fractional shares and partial profits, you're set up for success. So choose the platform that works best for you, get comfortable with it, and then focus on mastering the strategy. That's how you'll build consistency, confidence, and long-term results as an investment trader.